May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4. Lordship, kindly grant me 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
Are you in a rush? Can you wait till the matter is called up?
Lordship, I have one motion method there, so.
You come back. We are not passing any advice, but come back. The petitioner's counsel is here.
Yeah.
You are there. Okay.
Item number 1.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship.
Mm.
Lordship, I beg to mention on behalf of platform, Lordship. Lordship, he has sent his affidavit for vetting, Lordship. So if this matter can be listed after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Who is for the petitioner?
And for the petition.
And for the respondent number 4?
Respondent number 5.
5. You are appearing. How were you selected, madam?
Lordship,
How were you selected? You have objection. Okay.
Lordship, I've been the indigenous inhabitant of Gauhati.
You are the only indigenous inhabitant of Oka. You are the only person available. There are no other persons available there.
I was,
Hmm?
Lordship, I was qualified, so the.
There is no other person qualified in your district for this appointment. Was there an advertisement?
No, Lordship,
Then
there was not actually.
What is that magic formula you have for getting an appointment? You should share it with others also, so that they can also come through. This is not done. And you are a descendant of a landowner.
Yes.
Landowner.
Yes.
What is your material to that?
Lordship,
Yes.
Yes. Lordship, may kindly come to page 14, Lordship. Yes, Lordship, the landowner has.
Where is that agreement with the
Lordship.
government?
At page 15, Lordship.
15.
Yes, yes. Type copy is at page.
No.
15,
This is some recent document. Where is that agreement?
Lordship, it was only a.
Verbally. Okay. Was your case verified by the district authorities, the district administration?
No, Lordship. We have,
In terms of the policy of the government, 2018,
Yes, Lordship.
clause 3B.
Yes.
Was your case satisfied under clause 3B?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship.
Where is that material? That
Lordship,
your name was recommended by was sent to the district administration for
yes,
verification?
Lordship, we have given for representation
Mm.
for verification.
That was not done.
Yes.
Okay. And madam, how do you
Yes, the
support?
documents on reports clearly shows that one Srimati Inzumbini Shetri from the petitioner's clan has already held the appointment on the basis of land ownership law.
And what do you say to that?
Yes. Lordship, in regard to the affidavit and opposition filed by the respondent 5, I may be allowed to file my.
No, this was filed in April, and you were not here on the last date when the matter was taken up.
Lordship, 1 week time will be allowed to file my reply.
What is your instruction on that? If that fact is correct, that is a correct fact then.
Lordship, I have to get a proper instruction from my client. So,
Why? You got this affidavit, you have not got a copy of this affidavit filed in April. This affidavit was filed in April, ma'am.
Yes, Lordship.
10/4/2025. Yes, Mr. Counsel. What do you say?
Lordship, kindly allow 1 week time to file the reply. Lordship. since I need to get some proper instruction.
No. Just delaying the inevitable. Give me some reason to adjourn the matter.
Lordship,
Say that what she is saying is totally false. I'll adjourn. Record your statement and adjourn.
yes, Lordship, in that case, I have to get proper instruction.
You do one thing, you call your client, ask this, come back to me. Otherwise, madam, we are interfering with your appointment, also rejecting his prayer. Get your instructions before the list is complete.
Item number 2.
Please, your Lordship. Lordship, I'm.
2 minutes. Madam,
Yes, Mr. Lordship.
show me my power to direct for creation of posts.
Lordship, it is true that courts cannot direct the.
Then why are you before this court? You be before the authorities.
Lordship, we have submitted every presentation. However,
That this court is not here to,
And
this
Lordship, even though.
court, please don't reduce this court to a post office. That you give something here, we will give it to them. No.
Even though the.
You show me your right, show me the power, I'm passing orders in your favor.
Lordship, even though the courts cannot directly order the state for creation of courts, however, for public interest.
What is that public interest? That is for them
This is
to
a matter
decide.
related to the health of the public.
No, that they are responsible. They will take care. If they wish that they want a post of ophthalmologist there, they will create. But how can we? Why are you asking us to act beyond our jurisdiction?
Lordship, because the judicial intervention is permitted to
Okay.
uphold the right
Okay.
to health.
Okay, right to health is something which is not here because have you shown any instance that because of absence of these posts, the public in large is suffering? You have ophthalmologist here, you have an ophthalmologist assistant here. So in Oris, Sikkim, they have done it because the government felt the need for that. But how can we do it here? Are you the main arguing counsel here?
No, Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of my senior,
Who is your senior?
Joshua Shike.
Where is Mr. Shike?
Due to some personal work, he went to his own station.
I'm not dismissing it in a junior's name. Let her senior come next week.
After, Lordship, after 1 week, I'm yet to complete my affidavit.
What affidavit are you required to file here? Why complicate matters further? Why? You are admitting
No.
that?
This is purely on the
Okay.
state.
Madam, your name?
Immobilism.
P. Mominizo, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. J. Sheki, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the matter be adjourned today in as much as the arguing counsel is not present in court on account of personal inconvenience. Prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for the respondents. So, on the next date of listing, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall make his submission on the maintainability of the present writ petition.
Item number 3.
Please, your Lordship.
There was a mention memo given yesterday. Adjournment slip was.
It was on behalf of the petitioner.
Hmm.
I remember.
Lordship, by the order dated 11/12/2025, there's an instruction on my part. So, your Lordship, report on commission of the rain that it was insisted to produce. So, your Lordship, I have brought the documents. But your Lordship, this is a very competition. So, if the court.
Keep it with you, keep it with you. We'll have it when they learn a counsel for deputy, because they had submitted a
Yes.
mention memo yesterday. Mention memo is made on behalf of?
Mr. A. Jimomi, my senior Mr. A. Jimomi.
A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. A. Zimomi, learned counsel for the petitioner for an adjournment in the matter on the ground that
My lord, he's not well.
on the ground that he is indisposed. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. Imsam, learned additional advocate general appearing for the state respondents. Mr. Imsam, learned additional advocate general submits that in terms of the directions passed by this court wide order dated 11/12/2025, the report of the commission of RIIN down, so has been received by him. For so, Mr. Imsong shall retain the same and retain the said report and furnish the same to this court on the next date of listing. When?
After a week, maybe.
As agreed to by the learned counsel for the petitioners, registry to list this matter again.
After 2 weeks,
Any date, give me a date.
because here I have to file a reply also.
On
Yeah,
19/2/2026.
If the interim orders.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Item number 4.
Please, Your Lordship. My lord, you have mentioned on behalf of Asia. Lordship, kindly grant me 3 weeks' time to file
No, why have you excommunicated him?
Lordship, actually, I'm not in this case, Lordship.
Then
I'm mentioning
you
on
take-
behalf of myself.
Then you take your seat. Yes,
Lordship,
counsel,
Lordship, by this court-
straightforward thing, I can dismiss this in a minute, holding that this court will have got no power. Because this is a private body per se. Right? Article 12, but it's not a state within the meaning of Article 12, right?
Lordship.
Now, you have not pleaded in your writ petition violation of Article 19(1)(4). Also, Article 21. How long have you been in practice? Mr. Counsel, how long have you been in practice?
Lordship, around 12 years.
12 years. Now you got to bring your 12 years experience into the matter and develop this. There is a judgment of Calcutta High Court. Gurudwara or something. It's a Sikh organization, similar. I forgot yesterday because I'm not carrying my SSC with me, so I forgot. So there is one case from there wherein a similar body was involved. Now, Article 21 and Article 19, freedom to reside in any place in India and all. You got to develop your case in that line.
Lordship, in my constitutional life.
Most title, Mr. Counsel, is nothing but your
Pleadings.
materials don't reveal that. 371A will not come in. It will not have any effect, but your other provisions of the Constitution, you will have to bring your case within that. Just wanted to tell you this. You have only. Okay, yes.
Lordship, in fact, here I'm led by my senior people, but there's a similar case.
Mayang Lima.
Mayang Lima, yes.
Mayang Lima is on a different footing altogether. Mayang Lima will not cover you because that's a state. That's a village council.
Lordship.
Mayang Lima is village council.
Lordship.
Huh? But the spirit of Mayang Lima, you can make your arguments. Research.
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Counsel.
Kindly then me 3 weeks' time to file affidavit.
Why?
Lordship, actually, I'm not in the case. That's what I got instruction from senior Lordship. Lordship, I'm looking Lordship, by some court's order dated 9/10/2025. I was directed to take steps on the respondents 3, 4, 5, and 6 to justice service.
Now, where is your affidavit?
Also, I filed on 21/11
We have filed.
Lordship, so if Lordship, service upon this one, 3, 4, and 5 may be deemed to be complete.
He
Lordship.
is appearing for 3, 4, and 5.
Lordship.
You are appearing for 3, 4,
3
and
to 6, Lordship.
3 to 6. Then what is it?
I believe it's for 3 and 2.
Your name?
The Blue Marker Lordship.
You are appearing for Meadowvero.
On behalf of Ajo,
Eh?
correspondent.
Eh?
Ajo.
Azo. A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. Azo, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent number 3 to 6 for an adjournment in the matter to facilitate the respondents represented by him to file their affidavit in the matter. Prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again on two, 3/2026. Full stop. No further adjournment shall be granted to the private respondents to bring on record their stand by way of filing an affidavit. And you develop it now.
Item number 5.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention on behalf of Tipa Lordship. Here are the receive instructions, Lordship. So can you grant me 3 weeks time, Lordship?
Same thing.
Yes, Lordship.
But this excommunication is by the village council. No. Where is that order? Excommunication order?
Annexure 4, page 31.
Page 20.
31. The 5 copies in 30 page.
What is this organization? It's a private organization. What is this organization, madam? Puttu Menden of AKL. It's a village organization recognized. You are appearing for the government.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, madam. What is your case? How is this repetition maintainable? How long have you been in practice?
1.
Hmm?
1.
1 year. 1 year.
I'm appearing on behalf of myself.
No, forget your senior. How long have you been in practice?
1 year.
1 year. Okay. It's too long time. What is your case?
Your Lordship, the petitioner initially borrowed an amount of 2 lakhs rupees from the.
That interest was going up. That
Yes,
much we
yes,
know.
yes.
But excommunication, why is it bad? Relax and make your arguments. Relax.
the petitioner was excommunicated arbitrarily without even giving an opportunity.
Of notice.
Yes.
Good. Yes, madam. What happened to the representation?
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my colleague Rashid. I don't have to plead with me, Lordship.
And madam, next time you appear or any junior appears, I don't want the law. Before me, I don't want the law, but the facts should be in your fingertip. This much I expect from you. As prayed for by the Learned Council for the parties, registry to list this matter again on (19/2/2026). Also,
Much obliged, Lordship.
Your Lordship, there's an interim order.
interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
For this, item number 6.
Where is your dusty affidavit? Filed.
May I please, Lordship?
Hmm.
Lordship, we have taken steps through registered appeal twice. And also we have taken steps through Dusty, however, they have not received, Lordship. So I pray that,
Why?
Lordship, they are refusing to accept the Dusty service.
Where is your affidavit to that effect? Have you filed an affidavit that they have refused along with witnesses? In the presence of witnesses?
No, Lordship, we are yet to file. Lordship.
Why that is not being filed? You have been taking time. Last time also you took time. Dusty is on respond number 7.
Lordship.
Nobody in your family has been given an appointment.
Lordship.
Where is the impugned order?
Action 9. Page 95. 45. Page 45. And also, Lordship, page number 60, this is a verification report with regard to the ownership. Next one, 19.
So we'll have to, subject to what the private respondent says, interfere with the appointment. For that, you got to serve notice upon them.
Lordship, I may currently be allowed to publish in local newspaper. Since
You file that affidavit, sir, then only we can. Substituted service only, that you have failed in the normal course.
Lordship,
You come up with an affidavit.
Lordship,
Who
Lordship.
is appearing for the health department? This is health, no? Who is the standing counsel health department?
Lordship, I'll be appearing for respondent number 1 to 6, Lordship.
1 to 6. Okay, madam. Why this substituted service? You take a copy, effect that service through the Chief Medical Officer MON or through the Directorate of Health and Family Welfare, because he is working there. He's an employee of yours, right?
Lordship, actually, I'm appearing on behalf of my colleague, Lordship. He's in bereavement, Lordship.
No, okay. Oh, when is he joining back?
Most probably after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Lordship, I believe he is yet to be appointed. And the impugn order, there is an extra 9 is approval order.
Approval order.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That we
Which
don't
you
know.
have challenged, Lordship.
Okay. You filed that affidavit by Monday.
Lordship.
Huh?
Lordship.
We'll have this matter on Thursday.
Lordship.
The Learned Counsel for the petitioner prays that he be granted 3 days' time to file the affidavit of service of notice upon the respondent number 7 by way of dusty mode. Full stop. Prayer accepted. Petitioner to file the said affidavit on or before 10/2/2026. Registry to list this matter again on 13/2/2026.
Lordship, interim can be accepted.
Interim order to continue till the next date of listing.
Obliged.
Item number 7.
Yes, where is your dusty affidavit?
Lordship, we've received the notice for respondent number 6. However, on regards to respondent number 4, 5, and 7, 8, notice is still awaited. Therefore, kindly,
You have taken steps, you have
Yes.
sent the dusty notice.
yes, Lordship.
Why was it not served?
Lordship, it is still awaited. On regards to respondent number 6, we have received the copy for the notice. However, for 4, 5, 7, and 8, it is still awaited.
Why?
Therefore, kindly,
Why? What is the reason?
Lordship, we are yet to receive the received copy.
From your client?
No, from the respondent. On regards to respondent number 6, we have got a copy, the notice, received copy.
No, this has to be personally handed over.
Yes, Lordship.
Your client has not personally handed over to 4, 5, 7, and 8.
Lordship, they've handed over, but then the received copy has not been,
Immediate, the receipt copy should be immediate.
yes, Lordship.
Hand over, sign, witness, come and file here. Why wait? You give the notice to him, he will give it back when he is convenient. That is not the way you do it.
Lordship.
So, when are you filing it?
Kindly 2 weeks time to complete,
Last time you took 3 weeks' time.
Lordship.
So at least there is a positive development. You have reduced it by 1 week. Mister, your name?
Mary Bemo.
Mary?
Mary Bemo.
Mary Bem, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that the service of notice by way of dusty mode upon respondent number 6 is complete. However, the service of notice by dusty upon respondent number 4, 7, and 8 is still is not complete. Accordingly, he prays that he be granted time till 19/2/2026 to complete the service of notice upon the respondents number 4, 5, 7, and 8 and file an affidavit to that effect before this court. Also, petitioner to effect service of notice by way of dusty upon the respondents number 4 to 8, 4 to 4, 5, 7, and 8 on or before submit the affidavit to effect service by way of dusty mode on the respondent number 4, 5, 7, and 8 and file an affidavit to that effect on or before 19/2/2026. Registry to list this matter again on 23/2/2026.
For admission, item number 1.
Yes.
Is my word says my plan is deciding of and one the so if tomorrow is a working day, it will be taken up tomorrow.
So, madam, how can we protect your appointment?
Lordship, as I said earlier, being an indigenous inhabitant of Waka and and been qualified.
Where is your
It was-
statement in the affidavit that there is no other person qualified other than you in that area? Government has a policy. If you're not a landowner,
No,
donor,
Lordship.
you're not a landowner. Then okay. Heard the Learned Council for the parties. Also, the Learned Council for the respond number 4 has submitted that the petitioner is not entitled to be considered as a descendant of a landowner, inasmuch as from the family of the petitioner, appointments against the said donation of land has already been effected. So, the said aspect of the matter is also projected in the affidavit filed by the respond number 5. The Learned Council for the petitioner submits that he be granted a week's time to receive instructions on the said aspect of the matter. Full stop. Prayer accepted, registry to list this matter again on 20/2/2026. Full stop. The petitioner is at liberty to file a reply to the said affidavit on or before 20/2/2026, and no further time for the purpose shall be granted to the petitioner. Full stop. Registry to list this matter again on time till 20 December on 24/2/2026. Thank you.